Come up close, help me out. Come on in, guys. It's almost showtime. I'm gonna juggle these. What? Come on in. Oh, my life just got more interesting. Dun, dun, dun. Timekeeper, how we looking?
Go.
Go time! It's go time! All of these people are cheering for no real reason at all! For warmth. I like it. I also know what kind of sound I have. Good job, guys. It didn't work. I gotta do stuff. That'll work.
God.
It's not that kind of show.
Just in the
They are commenting. They're not safe. Dun, dun, dun. Me stand on that? Who said that? Did you say that? That's nuts. That's crazy. You would need a lot of practice for that. Do you want to see the first trick I ever learned? Okay. Here we go. First trick took 6 whole months to learn.
Aww.
I did it! What, that is not impressive? I fell down a lot of times in the process. Okay, fine. She was not impressed. Were you impressed?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Yay!
I'm easy to
At least you're honest. What if I did those on the ball, though? Would that be impressive? Would that be, is that what you were thinking? Okay. If I get really big really fast, just catch me. If any of my props get really big really fast, just move. Got it. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, come on in. Arf, arf. Thanks. I've achieved the skill level of a trained poodle. It's true. She's real proud. Alright, here we go. This is a wolf. I got scared. The full moon is not out yet. It's not supposed to be occurring. Here we go. Standing on my hands on the ball. Go. That's a good one, right? Yeah. Made this face. Have you not seen my show before? How many of you have seen this show before? Nobody? Couple of you. So you know. The rest of you just go ahead and lower your expectations. We'll start on the same page. Alright, fine. Hands, no feet. Actual trick. Frog pose. Don't take pictures right now. They weren't here. They don't understand. Oh, man. I saw the comments last week. That's why I say that this week. Alright. Hands, no feet. Maybe.
Woo!
Hands, no feet! I did a thing! Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is my signature move. I make that move. Wata! You say, oh yeah. It'll be fun. Ready? Wata!
Oh yeah.
See how that's fun? You don't even know it till you try it. Okay. What's next? You don't know? I don't know. I'm gonna make this show up as I go along. Ask your instructor. Here we go.
Woo! Oh yeah.
You remembered! Here we go, pick this now.
Yay.
Thank you! What's next? Knives? Okay, I could do knives next. Juggle. She said juggle the knives. What if I juggled the fire to warm my hands up before I juggled the knives? Yeah, that works.
That works.
Okay. Juggle them together. I'll juggle them together. You have to wait for that though. That's like a bonus trick. She is a princess. It's your show. I'm doing what you asked. Fire. Kids. If you're gonna play with fire, the first rule is don't sniff the fumes. You'll have a lot of explaining to do later on in your life. It's not good for you, that's why. You turn into Shelly Button! Oh no, now she's intrigued. My bad. They just make me say that now. Hi, come on in, guys. Come on in, come on in. You showed up for the good part. Yeah. Kids, the real first rule is to close the can of fuel first. You're laughing. I learned that lesson twice.
Oh.
I thought it was funny too.
I'm laughing because you know what I did.
I'm the only one. Then, kids, it's very important that you shake off the drippy parts of the torches around the people who may or may not be watching you still. This is to remind everyone that we are a team still. If I go down, you're coming with me. It's what a team would do. Come on in, guys. Thanks for bringing me beer. You're gonna drink it for me too? Okay. Can I stand real close to you later though? It'll be like osmosis or something. Okay, that works. I'm about to. You're not gonna be cold very much longer. All right. I did that. I told you. Oh yeah. If one of these goes flying towards your face, maybe on fire, it's not a 3D movie. They don't have those other Renaissance. You need to duck, and the people behind you will totally catch it. I've seen it. Next, Pocket Dragon. Who's got one? I can borrow. Pocket Dragon. Pocket Dragon. It's a lighter. Don't look at me like that. I already explained pre-taking shoes off. It's not that show. Hey, this show brought to you by this guy. Thought you were gonna throw it, and I was way too close for that. I stepped on it.
Aww.
It crocked. I know I'm gonna play with fire. I'm worried about Little Rock. It's okay. It's priorities, people. Look,
Is that what it looks
distraction.
What?
Is that what I was like on their
I feel so much better.
side? Share the fire.
I know, I got nylon on. I shouldn't do this. Sir, this is in my purse. It's a very cold purse. But I never lose it. The purse. It's practical application. Hey kids! Fire's not really supposed to go sideways either. That's more of an up direction. But you will find out very fast how much facial hair you have. Alright, I'm gonna juggle, you're gonna go crazy. It's the coolest thing you've ever seen. Again, priorities. I'm gonna end this, I think. Happens one of two ways. I throw it, it flips a couple of times. I catch it. That's a cool trick. And done successfully. Or I throw it, the wind catches it, it flips a bunch of times, lands in somebody's lap, and we're on the front page of the newspaper together. I agree, my mommy collects those too. There's a stack, a corner labeled button. Alright, here we go. Flippy, flippy, catchy. I did a thing. Woo. That was just for me. I'm gonna blow these out and save your lives at the same time. Excuse me. Today's show is brought to you by Dayquil. No! Thank you, one nice person. I don't know. Who was that? You? Thank you. How old are you? 11. The 11-year-old. Stopped me. The rest of you are a little bit sick and twisted, yeah? The princess has spoken. Here we go. I wasn't gonna. I saw those pictures. I can't show that to my mommy. Here we go. Did that. Did that. I did that. I did that. I said I didn't do that. Alright, I need a Victor here. Time out! I need you. I need two other people. I'll hold your beer. What's your name? Hi, Jim. This is Jim.
Hi, Buttons.
Hi. Can you guys say hi to Jim?
Hi, Jim.
Jim, have you been drinking a lot today? Not as much as normal. Jim, I have no idea what normal is, but we're gonna do this anyway. Jim, manly man pose, front and center. What's Took my what and gave me back a I raised your No, I'm just kidding. Front and center though like this because I'm gonna climb, sit. Have you had back surgery in the last 10 years? Okay. I have to ask that now.
You're really climbing?
Yeah. You're good. What's this? What's this? Oh, you can put those in here. He's really thinking it. Jim, right? I'm scared now. You're just, We got this. I am really climbing and I'm really sitting. So you really need to. There we go. All right. How are you? Is he? Is this? Am I safe? Hey Jim, you can stand up now. That's not normally a spin move. Jim has hair product.
Looking good, Jim.
That's a different view. Okay, Jim. Next part is serious. I'm gonna stand up. You're gonna hold the backs of my legs like we're not falling down. Yeah. Wait till I stand up. You're just gonna put your hands up. Up. I'm gonna hold them.
The other up.
I'm gonna push. You push back. We'll call that resistance. And now you're gonna hold the backs of my legs. Yep. Don't look down. Jim, are you nervous?
No.
I am. And he's right. You should be. Princess, can you hand me those knives?
Yep.
Remember the mohawk, Jim. Very good. This show brought to you by this kid.
Woo!
This kid. She's a Kit Kat. It's a very cute Kit Kat. Hey, Jim, I'm just getting the dirt off.
Yeah. Is that blood on the knife?
That's tetanus. Tetanus. All right, Jim.
Buttons.
I'm
Don't look
gonna
out.
move. You just let it happen.
Just tell me if you drop once, I'll move too.
That's why I had to get the dirt off, because if that flies and lands in your eye, that would be danger. No. A knife, you just pull it out, it gets stitched up, everything's fine. Dirt, that's in there all day. That's chaos. All day chaos, like this. All right, Jim, how you feeling?
Feeling good.
Okay, that's a good answer. I'm gonna juggle now. They're gonna go crazy, and you're gonna have a new profile picture. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. No, I caught them this time, Jim. And then Jim, you do like this.
Oh yeah.
See, it's like magic. One of these. One of these.
Aw.
I almost killed him. I like this game. Jim, are you here with the lady? Those pictures, tell her my mommy told me sharing was caring, so it's okay. She did. Did your mommy tell you sharing was caring? All right, one more time, Jim. One more time for Jim. I thought we were done. No, we are. We can't. It's like too much, you know. Like we gotta let's we gotta ease into it. All right, what's next? Frisbees. That was a lot of words.
I want to see silk.
You think I should climb? Frisbees.
Silk.
Fine. Frisbees. I don't have frisbees. I have these silly little rings that don't fly so good in the wind. He's excited. Dun, dun, dun. All right, this is just like Cirque du Soleil, minus the lights and the music and pretentious stuff. Also done outside. Thank you. Not in a tent. Not in a tent where it's warm and non-windy. That's all right. But that does remind me that if something that did look beautiful Yeah, just like that. Good job. It's like that marriage feeling, you know? You know? You've been there. You've been there. Not always there sometimes, but where you're needed. Oh yeah, and the louder you get, the better I get. Hey. On it. Wow. I know. I thought that heat did the rising too. It doesn't. Hi, camera guy. Can you see me now? Ding. Thanks. That's a show. Hope you enjoyed it. No? Okay. I tried. Not as bad as last weekend though. I can't really complain. Keep going.
Keep going.
Okay. Look, Mom, no hands. Into same thing, but different. Keep going.
Keep going.
What do you care? You're not the ones doing it, right? Here we go. Other foot. Other foot. No, don't clap for that. That was silly. Wow, thank you. Wow, now I feel it. Like a lady. Who's been drinking? That was one foot, the other foot. Now both feet. I know, right? That's dramatic. Question. I'm sorry, what? Can I take a bow up here? Yes. The princess has demanded it. Alright, hang on. I was in the middle of something else. Okay, yeah, just let me redo that. I'm getting there. Still getting there. Like that, just bend down. Bound. Now where was I? Can I do my other trick now? Thanks. That's where I was. Not this one. Dramatic. 2 feet. Wait for it. Go. Rolling out again. Alright, I think I'm running out of time. One more?
One more.
Okay, 2 more.
Woo.
2 more. Okay, maybe 3. I need a drum roll for this one though. Use your legs. Your bellies, your head, your neighbor's head. A pretty pose for no reason at all. I just like attention.
Aw. One, 2, 3. Woo!
Photo finish. Alright, you guys know the Spider-Man song?
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, do us whatever spider can.
Spin the web.
Woo!
Brought to you by Physics.